Hi everybody, Mike here. Thanks for watching. A week or so ago, we flew up to this mountaintop to do some mountain surfing. And when we got back home, we looked at the video and saw a mountain goat that we had captured in the video. During the flight, I had no idea it was there. It wasn't until studying the video closely later. This is the point where we saw the mountain goat. On this first pass, we don't see it, but we'll see it when we come back later. So we're going to head up to the peak, do a couple of dives, and then we'll see the goat on our way downhill. Look closely at these trees. You might see it as we pass by. Well, did you see it? I did. On our second pass by this point, we end up getting a better look at the goat. Do you see it? There it is off to the right. Let's take a closer look at this again. And this time we slow it down. Anyways, that was pretty cool to see. Thanks for watching.